Before, if you wanted to create a YouTube thumbnail that really grabs attention, you had to hire a graphic designer and pay them for every single thumbnail. But today, you can do it yourself, completely for free, using AI. So in this video, I'll show you 3 AI tools that can help you do exactly that. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. So the first website we're going to use is called OreateAI.com. This site can generate AI images using the Nano Banana Pro version. This is the main interface of the site. Of course, you'll need to log in using your Google account. I've already done that. Once you're logged in, you can upload your photo right here and give it a description of the thumbnail you want, and it will generate it for you. And don't worry, it will keep your facial features exactly the same. I got inspired by this MrBeast thumbnail where he's in the Egyptian desert in front of the pyramids. So I'll ask Oreate AI to create a thumbnail similar to this one, and we'll check the result. Here, I've selected this character to work with, and now I'll give it the description. I told it, design a YouTube thumbnail for me using the photo I uploaded, showing me in the Egyptian desert with the pyramids behind me. Make me wear an adventure outfit, look tired at the camera, and add a small cut on my left forehead. I basically gave it an exact description of the MrBeast thumbnail. Now we click the submit arrow and wait a few seconds for the image to be generated. As you can see, this is the result, and honestly, it's extremely impressive for a free AI tool. I didn't really like how the title was added to the image, but I was very happy with everything else, the details, the accuracy, and the overall look. It was exactly what I wanted. For the title, we have a few options. We can delete it, change the style, or even click the redo button to generate a new version using the same prompt. In my case, I told it to remove the title completely while keeping everything else exactly the same, without changing any details. And this is the final result. As you can see, it removed the title and kept all the image details perfectly intact. You can now add your own title in that empty space using Canva or Photoshop, and you'll get an amazing result. Now let's move on to the second tool. This one is very popular and most of you already know it, but many people don't know how to use it the right way. I'm talking about Nano Banana from Google Gemini. A lot of you have probably used it before but didn't get perfect results. Now I'll show you how to use it correctly. I'll do exactly what I did with the first site. I'll upload the same image and use the same prompt, but I'll add one small yet very important detail. I'll tell it to generate the image at 1920 by 1080 pixels, horizontal. Sometimes it generates the wrong size, so this step is important to avoid that issue. And as you can see, this is the final result. Look at the level of detail and accuracy, and how it preserved the same facial features. It's honestly an amazing result. You will notice Gemini's watermark on the image. You can remove it using image watermark removal tools. I can't recommend a specific tool here because that would violate YouTube's guidelines and could lead to the video being removed or even a strike on the channel. You can also add text to your image using Canva, Photoshop, or even Gemini itself by writing a prompt asking it to do that. This is the second way to create a YouTube thumbnail for free using AI. Now let's move on to the third and final tool, which is Thumbmagic.com. The idea behind this site: create YouTube thumbnails inspired by popular creators like MrBeast, Ali Abdaal, and others. When you open the site, you'll get 3 credits, which allow you to generate 6 thumbnails. Each credit gives you 2 different thumbnail designs. Click on Create Thumbnail to start. Then paste the YouTube video link that you want the thumbnail style to be based on. I'll use the same MrBeast video inside the Egyptian pyramids and paste the link here. Next, you can upload your video so the platform understands the topic better, or you can paste the script instead. Since I don't have a video, I'll go with the script. After that, this interface will appear. From here, upload your photo or avatar so the site can generate the thumbnail using it. You can also enter a name if you want. Once you're done, go down and click Create Avatar. Here, you can choose a template, or you can click Replicate Template and paste the YouTube link again like we did before. Click Use this template, go down, and then click Generate Thumbnail using 1 credit. Now we just wait a few seconds for the process to finish. By the way, you can also create thumbnails for Instagram Reels and TikTok using the same method. The process is now complete, and as you can see, it generated 2 different thumbnails with 2 different styles. I really like these results, especially the second one. It looks extremely professional. The lighting, shadows, image quality, and details make it look like it was designed by a professional graphic designer. The first one is also good and gives more space for adding text, but I personally love the second one. Of course, you can modify it by clicking on the Modify button here. I tried editing it by asking it to add text like Pyramids Adventure, and this is the result. It looks really good. Here you can see the original version and the modified version. If you want to download it, just click the download button. And that's it for today's video. Now you know how to create YouTube thumbnails for free using AI with no need for a graphic designer. If there's a topic you'd like me to cover in the next video, feel free to leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.